The one that is coming up is starting in March, which is the Beatlemania. And then April, we have the platters. March, we have the stylistics. So, tapos maraming kinukuha yung mga mainstream, yung mga mainstream na mga ano na sila, ang tawag ito matatanda na, pero they're still appearing. Like yung, ano ba yun, yung Stillness and Young, something like that. Yung mga ganon. And napupuno talaga eh. Once we had the Beatlemania and Celebrity, punong-puno. Punong-puno at 2 shows. So, we are only collecting $30 per ticket without the food, It's cheap. But you will enjoy the concert. Then, also, I told them, do not pay me, but, you donate to Philippine Children's Charities because we want to build 100 houses for our Filipinos back home. Lalo na yung mga naging biktima ng mga bagyo. Nawalan sila ng bahay, natutulog sila sa ilalim ng tulay. Kaya, we had the bumpy journey along the way, but because of His pinions, we were able to survive. And I would like to thank all of you. It's from the heart talaga. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Thank you so much.